So I thought I'd do a short video on CUF. Just a disclaimer, this isn't financial advice, it's just how I see the market and why I've bought this stock. So I'm looking at a 1 year chart there. If you just have a look here, I've got to use this resistance tool, this horizontal tool here. We can see that its resistance is mainly around 2.2. Yeah, about around 2, sorry. And then another resistance up around 2.2. So once we clear these two here, we could say we're basically in blue sky, on the 5 year chart. So the stock used to be 13 cents at some stage, but down here you can see all this little bit of overhead resistance there. But once it's cleared, it's a pretty well straight run up to 3. 3 and possibly 4 cents there. So just go back to that 3 monther. So what do we know? Oh, just a bit more on the TA. So you see this leg up here. I'll just do it like this, a screenshot. Okay. So I'm Pro Trader, I haven't got a drawing tool. But if you look here, you can see this uptrend here. And then we've got a little bit of a shallow pullback. So you want it to have a pattern like sort of like a reverse 7. So we've got this leg here, and then a soft pullback. And then we could say we're starting the uptrend again here. I think we're going to go something like that, all right, till we hit that 2. So these red candles, of course, would have been the time to buy. So anywhere between 1.7 and 8, 1.8, 1.9. I'll just get rid of that. So what do we know about them? Well, they're an iron ore producer. You can go to the website even of Pro Trader here. That's their website there. They've got 5 million in the bank. This JWD iron ore project. And there is a lot of shares on issue, but I can tell you that the top 20 hold, just let me bring that up. So the top 20 hold about 548 million. So the balance on the register is 417 million. The top 20 haven't really sold any stock in 3 years. So we could say there's 417 million shares floating around. And just back into their projects here, this one here is this West Arunta is, of course, 90 kilometres from WA1's deposit. Can I get that up? Yeah, it's 91 kilometres. Does it show me anything else? So I'll just see if I can find it. So you can see here that it's the tenors are just near Lynn, which Lynn has had a pretty good uptick in its share price lately. So there's Lynn there, and there's CUFs right here, these ore bodies, which are supposed to be niobium and rare earths. So it looks pretty good. Now, basically there's 2 pieces of news items that should be coming out in May, and that's the native title land access is processing through the regulatory steps and draft land, as it says here. So this announcement came out back on 29th of April. So we're in May. So we're expecting 2 news items, and that's one of them. So they have a good relationship with Aboriginal affairs in the area. It should get past no problem because Lynn has successfully received theirs. So I don't see that an issue. Also, they have another piece of information with the state government too, I think, coming out. So yeah, that's news that's coming, right? So we do know that WA1 is a 20-cent stock worth $20 now. So they had a tier 1 discovery, rare earth discovery. So it's almost $20. So another exciting project they've got here is this North Dam lithium project. So I'm not really, I've gone off lithium a bit, but at the same time, they're having good rock chip samplings for the so they've got the lithium target here, but yeah, they're having good rock chip samplings for the rare earths as well in this area. So I don't know if they're going to go with this first, the drilling here at North Dam or West Arunta. So basically, there's a lot of news coming through, and I think at its market cap, which is around, this is like a Pro Trader. Its market cap is around, oh, that's wrong stock. So its market cap is around 20 million. I think there's upside for the simple reason that this stock doesn't need to go back to the market to raise money. It can fund its own drilling campaigns, whereas a lot of these West Arunta stocks, like RCR, has to do cap raise and dilute the company. So health screen down here looks not too bad. I like the last day of trading where the buyers came over the top at the close and took out the 1.8. So I'm thinking Monday 1.9, and by the end of the week we're going to test them twos. So ABV's rising, so I'm pretty confident on the stock. Yeah, so it's just one to have a play with. And of course, if they do get a major discovery in West Arunta, there's a good chance she's going to take off after that too. So okay, so have a good week, guys.